Hey guys, I'm Peter McGrath, owner of Bytown Better Baths and Showers here in Ottawa. And today I'm joined by Curtis, our project manager here at Bytown Better Baths. Ever noticed how fall hits our city? The mornings get crisp and the evenings come earlier, and suddenly we're all reaching for a hot drink to stay cozy. Well, your bathroom can feel the same way too. With just a few simple tweaks, you can turn it into a warm, welcoming space that's perfect for those chilly Ottawa days. So let's get into it. So Curtis, why do you think fall is the perfect season for Ottawa homeowners to start thinking about making their bathrooms feel cozier?
I think a lot of homeowners in Ottawa are experiencing colder weather, the winds that are picking up a little bit with the chilliness out there, and wanting that need for a nice steamy shower or a nice luxurious bath, and kind of gets them thinking of the space they have in their home. I think.
And as the weather gets cool, what changes do homeowners usually want their bathrooms to make the space more comfortable or inviting?
Well, I think I do think that a lot of homeowners look at a dated bathroom and just don't want to go in it. They have sometimes with a little bit of mold and mildew damage, you can get some bad odors that come from it as well. So I think getting into the fall season, looking for a nice cozy environment, the bathroom tends to be one of those places that is starting to get a little dated, then it may not be something you want to use as much. So I think the colder weather kind of puts that idea in the forethought.
Okay. And from your experiences, what shower or tub upgrades have the biggest impact on creating that cozy spa-like atmosphere for the fall and winter?
Well, I think a lot of times we do see a lot of kind of older steel enamel tubs that are not very large, very short, close to the ground, sort of thing. And a lot of homeowners do want that nice, big, luxurious soaker tub, something they can sit in and fit their whole body within, and not have knees sticking out of the water, stuff like that. So I think fall time does bring that desire, and a nice bathtub upgrade gives you that space that you're looking for.
Are there specific designs or features that instantly add a sense of coziness to the bathroom?
Well, I think nice warm colors kind of help to bring that environment to where you need it to be. Things like spa systems where you can have multiple shower heads, kind of give you that spa-like experience when you're using the fixture. Really make a big difference in the overall appearance and feel of that bathroom.
And beyond aesthetics, what practical upgrades help homeowners enjoy their bathroom more in the colder months?
One upgrade that we see kind of pick up a little bit request wise in the fall time would be heated floors. So electrical heated floors. When you have tile in a bathroom, even especially if you're in a basement application, for example, with concrete floors or something along those lines, you get a lot of cold that kind of comes up from that ground, and something like a heated electric floor tends to go a long way to kind of give you a much better feel inside that bathroom.
All right. What upscale features do you recommend for homeowners wanting both comfort and luxury?
I would definitely point them towards a spa system, something with an overhead 90-degree shower head, as well as a handheld with multiple features to it. It really sets the feel apart from a standard shower system that we would normally see. It gives you a much more usable and much more practical feel, but also a very luxurious look to it.
And how do you help homeowners choose bathroom upgrades that not only feel cozy for the fall, but also add long-term value to their home?
I think that would be the brand of the fixture, the quality of the fixture really gives a good appeal to it, but also a longevity to the upgrade that you're doing. I would also tend to steer them towards trends that are very popular right now. Something along the lines of, if a customer's not 100% certain on a finish, maybe a matte black finish might set them apart from the rest of the homes in their area, kind of give them a nicer look overall in that bathroom. Things like that can kind of go a long way for the luxurious feel of a bathroom.
Okay. Well, thank you for that, Curtis. It was very educational. Okay. A few small changes can make your bathroom feel like the coziest room in the house this fall. And if you're ready to go beyond the little touches, that's precisely what we do here at Bytown Baths. Just visit us at bytownbaths.com to book your service. And if this video gives you some ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's getting their home ready for the colder months. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one.